Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. What a gem for you we have today. Land Rover Freelander 2.2 SD4 HSE command shift automatic 4-wheel drive, 2010 in the year, on a 60 plate, registered the second latter half of 2010. One owner from new, 74,000 miles. Yes, one owner, 74,000 miles. 12 services, including having the cam belt replaced, priced at £10,795. So serviced at 6,000 miles, 13, 20, 26, 33, 38, 45, 52, 56, 61, and just serviced at 74,000 miles. 12 services, cam belt was replaced at 56,000 miles. So a one owner car with a tow bar, finished in lovely metallic green, matching Pirelli Scorpion alloy, tyres on unmarked alloy wheels. So 5 Pirelli Scorpions. Yes, this car has the full size alloy wheel with a Pirelli Scorpion tyre. One owner from new, 2 keys, only 74,000 miles, 12 services. What a beautiful thing. Barley leather, oatmeal barley leather trim, electric seats, memory driver's seat, twin sunroofs. The front one tilts and slides. They do have the sunshades that pull across. Obviously cruise control, sat nav, DAB, digital radio, Bluetooth, heated seats as well as electric seats, automatic command shift. What a beautiful car. Got the Land Rover fitted carpet mats throughout, lovely and clean. Load cover is in there. Got the keys to the removable Witter tow bar. MOT to the 14th of December 2024. Front park sensors, rear park sensors. Lovely and clean in the boot, as you would expect. Full size alloy spare wheel with a Pirelli Scorpion, which was an optional extra. Lovely, lovely condition. Original, not dented, not scratched, not tatty. Super clean inside. Drives obviously like a brand new car. We sell lots and lots of these. This one drives just like new. Alpine HiFi. Memories on the driver's seat, electric seat, heated seat, twin sunroofs. So see if I can show you the mileage. They're 74,000 miles. 74,000 miles. Satellite navigation. DAB digital radio, says DAB on the screen there. Obviously, we have got Bluetooth for your phone, heated seats. Beautiful, beautiful car. Price £10,795 for the one owner. Total service history, cam belt replaced, 2 keys, full MOT. What a beautiful car. 10795. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other cars in stock, or visit Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram, or if you go to YouTube, where this video and nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 15 years, they're on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there and subscribe, you will be the first person then to get a little notification every time we have a fresh car in stock. You'll be the first to know. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.